In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend Google Sheets columns past Z. You're in the right place if you've ever found yourself running out of columns after reaching the end of the alphabet, but still have more data to add. Let's dive into the process. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. You're probably accustomed to seeing columns labeled from A to Z, but what happens when you need more? Moving beyond those single letter headings is simpler than it seems. Begin by scrolling over to the very last column identified by the letter Z. This is the point where you'll be making some changes. Position your cursor over the header of column Z until you see the hand icon. At this point, right-click directly on the column Z header. This action brings up a context menu filled with options related to column management. From this menu, you'll want to choose the Insert One Column to the Right option. This choice is crucial as it tells Google Sheets exactly where you want the new column to appear. Once you make this selection, you'll notice that a new column immediately appears to the right of column Z. And this new column is labeled AA. Google Sheets facilitates this transition smoothly by adopting a double-letter system. So after Z comes AA, followed by AB, AC, and so on. It's like starting a whole new alphabet, which is incredibly helpful for organizing large data sets comprehensively. If one column isn't enough and you foresee needing multiple columns beyond Z, there's an efficient way to handle this. Instead of right-clicking and inserting new columns one by one, you can select multiple columns by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired number of column headers you want to extend. Once these columns are highlighted, simply repeat the right-click step on any of the selected column headers. And again, choose the Insert Columns to the Right option from the context menu. By using this approach, several new columns will be added simultaneously, allowing you to continue labeling with ease. This method is particularly useful when you're setting up a large project or a detailed spreadsheet that requires extensive column use from the start. In summary, whether you're working on collaborative projects, meticulous data analysis, or simple personal tracking, understanding how to extend columns in Google Sheets can significantly enhance your productivity. Next time you find yourself reaching the end of the column alphabet, simply remember these steps and you'll be well on your way to organizing your data efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheet managing.